To get rid of this dirty, ugly mold, we're going to use this product called GOO, Grout and Tile Cleaner. The first thing I'm going to focus on is this disgusting mold that's forming on the grout lines. According to the directions, it says to spray in an inconspicuous spot first, and then let set like 2 minutes, and then wipe off or rinse off. So we're going to spray in this spot here first. And let's see, hopefully that's enough. And let's just see how it works. Okay, let's take this brush and see if this works. Oh my gosh, look at that. Took it right off. All right, we know this GOO works. So we're just going to continue going all along the mold line and getting rid of all this other mold. So let's wipe it off with a paper towel and see how we did. So I've wiped off the excess, and so this is what I have. I'm very happy it got the mold off. What I'm looking at is discoloration of the grout, and in some cases, for example, right there, the top layer of the grout has worn out. So that's just the underneath part. So there's no mold anymore, so I'm very happy with this product.